I'm going to show you how you can quickly adjust the spacing before or after paragraphs without hitting the return key. Now, most people will move to the end of the paragraph and hit the return key. On the Home tab, there's a paragraph symbol. That's called Show Hide. When I click it, it shows that there's a paragraph marker every place I hit the return key. That's not the ideal way to adjust the spacing in between paragraphs. I'll remove that extra paragraph marker, and the ideal way is to first select the text that you want to adjust. In this case, I'll select all the text by going to the left margin, and I'll click 3 times. And then I'll go up to the Layout tab, and notice in the spacing area we have before and after. I'll start to increase the space after and watch how that increases the space after each paragraph. And I can also decrease it. So that is the ideal way for adjusting spacing in between paragraphs.